Hey everyone, I'm Yılmaz Alaca. Welcome to the introduction video of my advanced Arduino and Python programming interface application course. Dear friends, before starting the course content, I would like to give a brief information about myself. I have more than 25,000 students on various platforms including Udemy, and I teach programming, embedded systems, artificial intelligence, game development and interface development to these students. I have been working about these topics for 9 years. So what will we learn with the course? Dear friends, first of all we will learn about how to control port on computers is done with Python programming language. Next, starting from the port control we learned, we will have information about Arduino control with Python programming language. Furthermore, we will learn to control various components with digital pins and display sensor data in Python programming language. Moreover, we will learn to develop our own interfaces using the Python and to control our own Arduino or a different embedded system board with the interfaces we have created. In addition, we will develop 2 different advanced projects in the course content. And also, there are many examples and theoretic explanations in the course. I am already looking forward to seeing you among us. So, let's get started without wasting any time.